Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check whether your Windows 10 or 11 license is retail, OEM, or volume. Understanding your license type can help determine if it's transferable to another PC, eligible for upgrades, or tied to specific hardware. Thankfully, Windows includes a simple way to check this using a quick command. Let's get started. Click on the search icon on the taskbar, type CMD, then select Command Prompt from the results. In the command prompt window, type and press Enter. After a few seconds, a pop-up will appear. Look for the description line. Retail can be transferred between different machines. OEM, original equipment manufacturer tied to the hardware, cannot be transferred to another device. Volume used for multiple activations typically shows as KMS key management service or make multiple activation key. And that's it. Now you know what kind of Windows license you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.